Welcome to aminacademy.com. In quantitative aptitude for many competitive exams, let us do decimal fractions, some introduction. Look at this. 1 over 5 is a fraction. If you are multiply by divide both, it gives 0.2. It's called a decimal. Look at this. Here, this is a 17.591. 1 is here, tens, 7 is units, and decimal point is here. 5 is 1/10th, 9 is 100, 1 is 1000th. But these are the place value chart here: millions, 100, 10,000, 1000, 100, 10, like it goes. Now, decimal fraction are a way to write a fraction with denominator of 10, 100, 1000, like. For example, here 1 over 10 is what? Is 1/10th. 1 over 1000 is 1000th. Like it is going regarding the denominator number. Conversion of decimal into vulgar fraction. Look at here. Suppose decimal, so 0.25. How to convert this as vulgar fraction? Look at this. Here, this is 25 by 100 because 2 place of decimal. Further division, 125 is 425. This is called a vulgar fraction. Now, one more thing, 20.48. How to convert this decimal into vulgar fraction? So multiply by 100 both sides because 2 places of decimal from right to left. That is 2048 over 100. So divide by 2 is 10, 24 by 50. Further division is 5, 1, 2 by 25. This one is a vulgar fraction. Next, operations on operations on decimal fractions. First, addition and subtraction. Here, addition and subtraction. Look at here. Suppose consider this 0.25 plus 2.3. How to add? For this, we have to write the number and decimal place write here, same position in down, then 2.3. Addition is 5, 2 plus 3 is 5, 0 plus 2, like. Subtraction also like 4.78 minus 2.80. How to subtract this one? 4.78 subtraction 2.80. Here 8 minus 0 is 8. 7 minus 8 is not possible. Then here one borrow, that is 17. 17 minus 8 is 9. It becomes 3 because it's borrowed. And 3 minus 2 is 1. This like addition, subtraction, multiplication. Look at this. for multiplication. Look at this, 0.8 into 4.2. For this, first consider the normal number, then add the decimal places. So 4, 42 and 8, then 2 8s are 16, 1 carries, 4 8s are 32, 33. Here, this here from right side to left side, 4.2 is one decimal place. Here one decimal place, here one decimal place, totally two decimal places. So we have to write the answer 3.36. Now 7.85 multiplied by 1000 means this simple, because for 100 power of 10 multiplied by 100,000 is easier. So first write without decimal place, then move from left to right side 2 places, but already the point is lost, so we have to add 1 0 extra. Why? Because we need to move 3 places, but here only 2 place is there for decimal place, and add 1 zeros. One more, 0.0432 into into 1000. Here you have to move from left to right for 3 places, because it is a 1000. So here 1 2 3, that is 4 3 or 3.43.2. Why? Because 0 is one more place is there. So like, then division. For division, consider 0.86 divided by 0.2. Here, for we have to look at denominator. Denominator is 0.2, one place is there. So you have to multiply with 10. So 0.86 into 10 over 0.2 into 10, which gives 8.6 over 2, because denominator 1 place more, numerator 2 place more. 1 place more, both 1 place more. So we can divide now. 4 2s are 8 and no carrying. 6 is 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Like, one more, with power of division of any number by power of 10, like 4352 divided by 10,000. What is this? Here we have to move back the decimal place. Here 4352, the last is the decimal. Now you have to go back 4 decimal places. Look, so it is equal to 0.4352. Next is dividing a decimal fraction by a decimal fraction. Both are decimals here. Look at here. Then 0.425 over 2.5. For this, we have to move in denominator. We have to make it a whole number. 25 is there, so multiply by 10. multiply by 10 both sides, it becomes 4.25 divided by 25. So further, which gives here 425 can be written as 4.25 divided by 100 into 25 is there. Now 425 is here 8 425s are in 42. How many 25s are there? Now 416 25s are there, and one more 25 there, 17 25s, and divided by 100, because 425 is completely divisible by 25 gives 17, and divided by 100 is 0.17. Now comparison of fractions. How to compare the fractions? Consider 8 by, not 8 by, 7 by 8 and 2 by 3. We don't know directly which is greater and smaller. We have to do the operation like so. By cross multiplying, 3 into 7, this side is 2 into 8. 3 into 7 is 21, 2 into 8 is 16. Of course, 21 is greater. Therefore, you can see 7 over 8 is greater than 2 over 3. One more, the same method, look at here, 7 over 8, 2 over 3. What is LCM? LCM is 24. For 8 and 3 is 24. So we have to multiply by that into 3 by 3. And 2 over 3, LCM is 18 is 24. For here we will write first 24 by, no, LCM is 7 over 8. So in 24, how many 8s are there? 3. The 3 multiplied by 3. In 24, how many 3s are there? 8. Now it becomes 24, then 21. Here, denominator 24. Here, 16. Here, denominators are equal. Not both are equal. We can consider only the numerator. Then 21, 16. Of course, this is a greater. So first one is a greater. 7 over 8 is greater than 2 over 3. Like we can compare the fractions. Now more fractions are there. We can write comparison of first one to 2 and third, 3 and 4, like, and comparison of all the things. Then we can write ascending and descending orders, whatever required. Recurring decimals. What is recurring decimals? Look at here. Suppose consider 1 over 3. 1 over 3 means this is equal to 10. So that is, we can write first 1, 3 is out. For 1 is not go by 3, then add point, add 0 here. In 10, it will go by 3. 3 3s are 9. Subtracting 1, add 0. 3 3s are 9. 9. Subtraction is 1, add 0. 9. That means it is continuing. Therefore, you can write 1 over 3 is 0.3333, like it goes. Or that we can write this style. 0.3 is recurring. If the top line means it is continuing the same number. Consider one more, some approximate of pi is 22 by 7. Here how 1 7s are 3 7s are 21. Add point, 22 minus 21 is 1. Add 1, add 0 is 10. 10 is go by 3 is 1, and 3 carries 32. 4 sevens are 28, 2 carries. 2 carries, 20 means 2. 2 is 14, 6 carries. That means you can do the long division and check easily. 22 by 7 is 3 is 21, 1 add 0, because add 0 point you have to put it. Then 1 sevens are 7, subtraction is 3, add 0, 4 sevens are 28, 2 carries, 2 subtraction 2, add 0, 2 is 14, subtraction is 6, add 0, 8 sevens are 56, 4 carries, add 0, like it goes. So we can write this approximately 85, and further 7 sevens are 5, 7. Further in continuing, like 14285, then 7, 7, 1, and it continues. That means it's repeating 3.14285, 7. These are repeating. This is called a recurring decimal. Pure recurring decimal means the decimal fraction in which the figures after the decimal point are repeated. It's a pure recurring decimal. Converting pure recurring decimal into vulgar fraction. Here, suppose this is a 0.5. That is, this means the 5 is recurring, which is vulgar fraction is 5/9. And for example, one more 0.53. 53 both are recurring, which we can approximately write 53.99. These are some methods to find this that will be explained in problems. So mixed recurring decimal. What are the mixed recurring decimal? Look at here. Consider 0.18444, but point is here only, which means here 0.184, that 4 is recurring, means this is equivalent to 18444. That means 4 is recurring. But here 0.53 in all are recurring, that is 53, 53, 53, but here only 4 is recurring. 0.184, 4 is recurring. About how to do this one, 0.16. How to convert this vulgar fraction? For this is equivalent to, that put this one is x. Here converting 100x means this decimal will go like this. Why? Because 6 is recurring, we are writing. Now subtracting both, 99x equal to, look at this one, we can do clear here. First you have 100x, 1, 6 is recurring, x is there, this x, this is 100x, I'm doing wrong here, then first here 100x equal 16.6 and x is 0.16 because 6 is recurring, you can write that one. So subtracting this, this is 100x, so x is 0.1, this is point here 0.166, this is here, we need 10x. Why? Because sorry, I have to do clearly. Look at this. So consider x equal to, that is x is given number is 0.16 is recurring. So then we have to write 10x, means this recurring point start after one place, so it is 10x, so 1.6 recurring. Then subtracting 10x equal to 1.6, 6 you can write, and x equal to 1.16. 1.66 here, because 0.6 is recurring, subtracting is 9x equal 1. Therefore, x equal to 1 over 9. Suppose this is our good fraction of 0.16 recurring. We can check with this one, 1 over 9. Adding point, that is adding 0, 10, then 1 9s are 9, then subtracting 1, add 0, now this 0.16, so further mistake, sorry for repeating this, here 100x equal to 16.6 is recurring, then 10x here, sorry, then 10x equal 1.6 recurring. That means the recurring points is matching here. So subtraction is 0, here 5, 1. Is that 15? 10x equal to 15 and x equal to 15 here, x equal to 10 by This is 90x. Therefore, 15 over 90. So this is the answer. Now, we have done something about some introduction about what is the fractions, decimal fractions, and its some operations. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.